Now if I have a list of integers, I want to sort all these integers. Is it possible? Is there any option? Yes, we have an option. When I write a dot sort, all the elements will be sorted in the ascending order. Because I have given 2 times 4, that will be printed here. The duplicate will not be deleted as in the case of the set. Now I do not want this to be sorted in the ascending order. Instead of, I want in this to be sorted in the descending order. Is there any option? Yes. Now I can write a dot sort reverse is equal to true. When I write this, then entire elements in the A will be sorted in the descending order. If I change this reverse to false, now I am changing the reverse to false, then again entire elements in the list A are sorted out in ascending order. I want to know what is the maximum value in this list A. Is there any option? Yes. So we can write what is the maximum of A, that gives the maximum value in the list. I want to know what is the minimum value in the list. That is also possible. I want to clear the entire list. Is there any option? Yes. We can write simply clear, then the entire list will be cleared. These are some options we can operate with the lists. So as of now, we have discussed how to create a list and how to check whether the particular list is a list type or not by using the type. And we have come to know indexing of different elements in the list, how to access the different elements in the list, and how to add the different elements by append, and how to insert by using the insert, and how to delete one element and multiple elements, how to sort the list, and how can we clear the list. Now there is a one more option in the list, that is reverse. Now we are taking a list A is equal to some 1 2 3 4 5 comma some 10.1. I have taken this list. Now I am performing a dot reverse. This a dot reverse operation, reverse, sorry, REVRSE, reverse. Okay. Now when I performed this a dot reverse operation, you can observe the elements order is reversed. The first element became the last element, and the last element became the first element. That's why it is reversing the elements index. Now what are the different operations that are supported by the list? How can we know what are the different options supported by the list? When you type a dot, automatically in Python 3, you can observe here in the Python 3.8.5 shell, what are the different options are there. Append, we have discussed about the append. It is used to add a single element at the end. Clear, it is used to clear the entire elements. Copy, how to copy one list to another list. Count, how to count different elements in a list. Extend, how to add multiple elements in the list. Index, how to find the index of a particular element in the list. And insert, how to insert different elements in the list, and how to remove one element by giving the index, that is pop, how to remove the element by giving the value, and how to reverse all the elements, and how to sort in ascending order and descending order. This is how in the Python 3.8.5 shell itself, when we type a dot, then all these options are appearing to us.